lots of pink and yellow in the collective consciousness today, and for me that shows a lot of compassion and sensitivity around souls and people projecting a lot of compassion. But with the yellow, it can show an anxiety with that, a sense of feeling restricted, feeling stuck, and perhaps feeling drained by that giving, in a sense. Not that you don't want to give, but it's having a draining effect on your energy field. And I was reflecting on that as I was running, and I was just thinking, have you ever noticed how two people in a situation can give exactly the same energy, the same kindness, the same amount of time, and yet one person can walk away feeling lighter and the other person can walk away feeling really drained and restricted? And I've been thinking about that, and perhaps it isn't what we give that matters in so much as the energy and the perception that we're giving from. And it reminds me of a question that the forest fae guardian asked me once: from which roots does your kindness grow? And at first I didn't understand what he meant, and then I realized it's the same scenario. Two people can offer the same gift, they can offer the same encouragement, the same amount of effort and time, and one person gives because life is flowing through them and it's a surplus, and perhaps the other person gives because they're frightened that if they stop giving or don't invest and give, then somehow they won't be seen or perhaps will be rejected. Giving doesn't empty us, it allows the universe to flow through us, but if that is surrounded with a shadow and a perception of fear, then it does. And nature itself is full of these lessons. The river doesn't become smaller because it flows. It's continuously connected to its source, and it allows itself to be refilled by the rain. It allows what already exists to flow through it, just like universal energy flowing through us. It's infinite. In the words of the forest guardian, roots don't feed the tree instead of the forest. They feed the tree so the forest and the tree can become shelter for the other creatures that move amongst the branches and on the forest floor. So perhaps for today, just observe the energy that you're giving from and be really honest with yourself. If you're feeling drained, if you're feeling uncomfortable in any way, just observe what will make you feel stronger, make you feel more secure, make you feel more connected. Not because you're loving others any less, but because by connecting to your own roots, that's how more energy can actually flow through you